Namaste people, my dear amigos and amigas. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Au Natural Ideation. This is my very first introductory video to this channel. The name Au Natural Ideation is so close to my heart. It has been derived as an assemblage of two unique and beautiful words, Au Natural and Ideation. But what does Au Natural and Ideation mean? Individually, these words mean this. Au natural is a French phrase which in French literally means presented naturally or in the natural state or according to nature and not being artificial. It also corresponds to the Spanish word all natural, which means the same. Ideation again is the process of formation or generation or the act of forming ideas and concepts in the mind. When combined together, we get Au natural ideation, which actually refers to this process of understanding concepts and ideas in its most natural state, untainted or unembellished by external factors or forces or influences. This channel is going to be used by me as a repository or a receptacle for the most compelling, vivid, valuable, significant and substantial life experiences that has either changed or crafted my life and its course. Of course, I know that these are not going to be unique experiences because they must have been felt by you in one way or the other. But by way of sharing these experiences, I may as well touch upon those living, very vivid aspects of your life which you may relate to as well. The questions, the queries, the confusions that I come across or I ponder upon usually in my day-to-day life are the basis of my search and inquiry. However, they are just not mine, they are yours as well. And this journey that I have embarked upon is just not mine. It is yours for you to take part as well. So I invite you to be a part of this journey, to be a part of this humble and soulful peregrination. Also, on this beautiful and felicitous occasion of International Women's Day, I embark upon this journey of creating a memoir of my life on this platform. We, the womankind, have endured sufferance and prejudices in abundance brought upon us in the form of violence, crime, discrimination, biases, and indignation. We have been fighting this battle since times have evolved through history. We take this opportunity to celebrate today, this day, globally to rejoice our victories, our little victories in the social, cultural, economic, and political platforms. A day that marks to call to action for gender parity, end of violence, discrimination, biases towards women globally. Being a woman, I believe strongly that she should rise above all the tempestuous challenges, difficulties, barriers that has been presented to her in all stages of her life and in almost in varying forms. So friends, let us pledge to be the women who challenge, champion and change the world. I wish happy International Women's Day to all my courageous and gentle souls who have endured and never have given up, but also have led the battle to a remarkable and marvelous victory in their own little ways. I choose to challenge, to champion, to change. Happy International Women's Day. Thank you, people. Stay blessed and stay tuned. Bye.